Good morning, students. Today we are starting new chapter number 4, working with tables. Page number 37. Chapter name, working with tables. In this chapter, you learn what is table, how to make table or creating a table, method to make table, modifying a table, entering data in table, formatting in table, and other option. Now let's start. Microsoft Word offers a flexible features of presenting information in a tabular form. In Microsoft Word, you can insert data in tabular form, represent data in tabular form. What is table? A table is a combination of rows and column. Table is the combination of rows and column. Every table have number of rows and column where row and column intersect in a particular point that is known as cell. The intersection of a column and a row is called a cell. Now, firstly, we learn how to create table. You can create table by using two methods, using table grid and using insert table dialog box. Now, first method, using table grid. Now see, when you want to insert table by using table grid option, go on insert tab, open Microsoft Word, go on insert tab, here is insert tab, click on this insert tab, a table grid appear. In this option you can insert table. Now click on this arrow, firstly go on insert menu, click on this table option. Here is a table grid. Here drag mouse on this side, right side, you can increase number of column. Then you drag mouse in bottom side, then you can increase number of rows. Here indicate 4 into 4. 4 row, 4 column. 5 into 4. 5, here 5 means 5 column, 4 rows. 5 row, 4, 5 column, 4 rows. Now click. Then you can see this is your table. This is your table. Now you can enter data in this table. First row as a treat as a heading. Now heading, name, class, section. How to move next cell? How to move next cell? By using arrow key. This is arrow key. By using arrow key you can move in table. You can move up side, bottom side, see here, bottom side, right side, right arrow key. By using right arrow key you can move right side. By using left arrow key you can move left side. Then type and insert data into table. Insert data into table section. Now second method, using, this is number 1 method, using table grid. Now second method, using insert table dialog box. Using insert table dialog box. Now again, how to make table by using insert table dialog box. When you want to make table by using insert table dialog box, again go on insert menu, table option appear, In this table option, click this arrow. Now here is a option insert table. By using this option, you can insert table dialog box. Click this option, then a dialog box appear. In this dialog box, you have to decide table size. Table size means number of columns, number of rows. Suppose you want to make 3 columns, 4 rows table. Now you can decrease size here, increase size here, and decrease size. 3 columns. Now 3 columns, 4 rows. Increase size here, then click OK. You can see your table appear in your screen. Table appear in your screen. This is 3 column, 4 row table. Now you can insert data. First row treat again as a heading, name. Right arrow key, you can move next cell, class. Again right arrow key, section. Now bottom arrow key, you can move next line, next row. Now insert name Ajay, class 5th, and section B. Here is a 2 method to insert table. Now you can practice in your home or your PC or laptop. You must install MS Office in your mobile, laptop or PC to practice with table. Okay.